How's it going, folks? John here with Easy Options. It's been a little bit of time since I've posted a video, but here I am. Hopefully can make it up. I've had some requests to go over some more trades and things like that, so I decided to get off my lazy butt and do a video. I've been super busy. I'm in a new room here. I took over a room in my little townhouse. There's stuff everywhere in this place, man. So it's hard to find a place to record because it's just a wreck. Because we're gonna be moving at the beginning of the year to a new house. So anyhow, here I am. Let's do this. Let's talk about my trades that I've been taking recently, today, which is Monday, and what I put on Friday and closed today. So let's get into it. Alrighty, let's get started. So first I'm going to talk to you guys about SPX. I've been trading this a lot, doing a lot of spreads, mostly spreads below the price. And the first one I did was last Friday, and I honestly don't really recommend doing these. You know, it's there's some good risk to it when you're holding a spread over a night or over a weekend. So you really need to understand that, you know, you could definitely take a hit if the thing gaps down, if you're doing a put spread, or if it gaps up, you're doing a call spread, you know. So, you know, you really got to be aware that they're risky when you're doing them. Otherwise, just don't even deal with them. You don't have to do them. A lot of people don't, and maybe I shouldn't be either. But anyhow, I was able to get so far away that I was comfortable with doing it. Because here on Friday, you see the SPY just went off like crazy. And then during this kind of pullback and somewhere in here, I put on this put spread, the 3635, 3620. So I sold this top one, bought this bottom one. I did 10 contracts, and I think I collected, I think it was 55 cents. It was 55 or 60 cents. You see how far away this was? It was like 60 points away, or 55 or 60 points away. So I felt okay with that. And as you can see on Monday today, the market was kind of flat, and then actually it had a gap down here. And so it did come down, but it didn't get anywhere close. During the day here, midday, so today Monday, I ended up closing that trade for like 5 cents. So the second one I did, and I've been doing a lot of these, but let's talk about the one I did today. This one was not a good one, okay? And I luckily came out with my shirt. Back to this though. So I sold here the 3635 and I bought the 3660. I think I collected 55 cents. And I did it right in here, right? These are hourly candles. So SPY was kind of flat. It made this nice green candle here, kind of green over green. I thought we were gonna see some higher levels here, but it decided to completely reject, and of course I was like, oh, come on. I knew the next level was going to be this 3682.73 right here. This is good support on the daily. So maybe I'm in the way. There's a big daily level up here. That's before the big recent crash at the beginning of the year. So that's strong support right there. We have some here. This is important. Okay, so these are obviously very important. This down trend line is an excellent line to reference. You can see how, look at these taps, this near tap here. Technical analysis is so important, and it's really not complicated. And you know, these levels become true because other people see them, right? It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, but that makes it real. So it's kind of an incredible circle. But anyhow, these were the two spreads. We're going to see what happens with SPY, SPX, the S&P 500. It's likely just going to keep grinding up for a while, especially with everything that's going on with the fiscal and monetary policy, you know. Now let's look at, what else did I do? I did AMD. So let's check out AMD. This is another stock that has just gone nuts. I used to trade AMD all the time and hadn't in a while. So I think AMD is going to continue to keep going up. There are going to be these mini pullbacks, but it dumped really nice today, as you can see. Really nice dump. Somewhere in here, I decided to sell the 90. Where the heck is the 90? Oh my gosh, let's make this smaller. So the 90 right in here, guys. See that level 90? I sold, I think it was 5 of the 90 puts. Let's go look. Oh boy. Oh, I got cats in here. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Where the heck is AMD? Where is the ticker symbol? There it is. AMD. So I sold, how many of these, folks? 6. Sorry, 6. So sold 6 for 75 cents. Okay. And yeah, I think it's going to be a decent trade. It looks pretty good. We go to the hourly here. It was looking really good to me. It came down, it based, and it's really, really awesome and good that, you know, you saw this rejection off this level, but it based again in double bottom. So that's really beautiful looking. I wish the after hours action was a little better going this way, but it's not. But anyhow, if this doesn't work out, I'll manage the trade anyways. As long as we don't have a horrendous crash in this stock, I should be okay. Okay, folks, real quick, I want to reiterate and touch on again the importance of daily levels, support and resistance, drawing trend lines. You know, you really have to learn to trust these because there's a lot of value there. A lot of value. This is a must-have in my opinion. Now, if we look here, these are the ones I drew out earlier on the SPX. You can see, let's just look here. That one started here, but look here. Look at how this comes down and where that closed. I mean, they're incredible. And look at this range-bound day here, how they stayed in this range. You know, you could have easily played this here, right here. It went all the way down to the range, going from top to bottom of this range. Really beautiful. Look, it comes back down, dances off here. Now we have a nice double bottom. It goes up, comes up through this level here. Oh, look, where did it bounce? Perfectly, right there. Comes through the level. Oh, where does it get bought up? Right around here. It's just beautiful. Taps here. Taps. Up, nearly touches this one. Gets really close here. Oh, look where it opened. It's just beautiful. It's really beautiful to watch. So definitely draw these lines out. Give it a try. It'll absolutely help you. And if they get near these lines, that is a greatly increasing your probability and your chances of having a successful directional trade there, okay? And even if you're not doing directional trades, you're doing spreads or naked options of whatever sort, you know, it's good to know if you think it's going to reject, like right here, okay? Maybe I'd sell call spread. Or if we're down here dancing on the support, hey, that's a good time for a put spread. Or again, if you want to go directional, you can get some serious gains. So anyhow, I hope that helped. And this is me signing off. I will try and do videos more often if I can get the darn time. So we will see about that though. Anyways, hope this helped y'all. Come join my Discord if you want to ask me any questions. That's where I am. I chime in there a lot of the time during the day. So anyhow, the link is in the description below if you want to come hang out. And hope to see you there. I'll talk to you soon.